Hey, welcome again to this next lesson. We need to understand how the internet works. Most of us have mobile phones, smartphones, and we have computers, and we just buy the data and we feel we just have internet. But I need you to understand how the internet works. Now, I need you to know that this might be a little bit technical, but I want you to go by it again and again. I'm going to do it in two formats. I will take you through the slides and teach you, but I'm also going to include a video that kind of illustrates how this works in simple terms. So please follow me carefully and come back to watch again if you have to. The internet is a global network of computers. The internet is not something in the universe, in the maybe in the third heavens or something. No, it is real. It is a global network of computers and other devices that communicate with each other using standardized protocol. So in this lesson, I want to just take you through a high level overview of how the internet works. Now I'm going to explain this in bits. First, let's start with the ones you can see, your devices, your phone, your laptops or computer. These are just things that can connect to the internet. Anything that can connect to the internet are called devices. Now there's something called connection. These devices you have connect to the internet using variety of methods. You can connect to the internet using Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or even your cellular network. That's your data that you have. However, when this device connects to the internet, it has to communicate with a nearby router, which serves as a gateway to the wider internet. For me, in my own here in my house, I have Intel MiFi, right? For you, if it's your phone where you're using the data, there might be a mast somewhere not too far from you, but there's usually a router that kind of communicates with the device when it connects to the internet. Then we have something called the internet service providers. Now, right, routers are connected to internet service providers, and these internet service providers are the ones that provide internet access to customers by transmitting and receiving data from the wider internet. So for this, my Wi-Fi now, my MiFi, it's Intel that's powered by. Yours might be MTN, Glow, or whatever network you have where you are, or even Starlinks. So those are called internet service providers. We also have what is called data transmission. Now, when it's connected, data is transmitted across the internet in the form of packets, or something we call packets. These are small pieces of information that contain both the data itself and the information about how it should be handled. So the data, that's the information, and it's telling you display this information as a picture, display it as a video, or how it should be handled. That is what is called data transmission. So when a user wants to access a website or to use an online service, your device sends a request to the server, which is a computer specifically designed to store and save data over the internet. And so the server responds to the request by sending back the necessary display web page, such as the text, image, or video. And then you that you're the user on your device, you get to see the data display on the web page. Now, after this lesson, this is a very brief lesson. It's just a simplified illustration. You might want to come back and read it again, but I've included a video. The video basically illustrates this for you, and I'm sure you will like it. Please pay attention because it's going to be part of I'm going to ask you some questions related to it in your assessments. Let's dive right into the video. Thank you for listening.